Hello friends, welcome to another session of Trade to Freedom. Let's discuss about the stocks we selected for today and how they performed. First stock was Adani Ports. Adani Ports by afternoon it achieved both of our targets and made a high of 695 rupees today. Hopefully whoever waited and took an entry made profit there. Axis Bank was another stock. It achieved our first target today. Bharti Airtel was another stock which opened up beyond our entry level, but again it gave a breakout here close to the first target and reversed. Then later today afternoon it gave a breakout and achieved both of our targets and made a high of 548 rupees today. HCL Tech is another stock. HCL Tech opened up beyond our entry level and it fell below the entry level, outside the entry level, but there was no breakout again later, so we couldn't take an entry today in HCL Tech. Asia Motors also started a gap up, but again downside was triggered and we could achieve our first target twice today. Bajaj Finance was another stock. Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv both had a good bull run today. Bajaj Finance achieved both of our targets and made a high of 6,246 rupees today. HDFC Bank was another stock. HDFC Bank achieved both of our targets in the morning session itself. Kerala Healthcare was another stock. It opened up right on top of our entry level at 625 itself. So we waited to see another breakout, but there was not another breakout, so we didn't take an entry in Kerala Healthcare. Let's move on to tomorrow, Friday, 23rd July stock selections. First one is Wipro. Wipro buy side entry level will be 585. 588 will be your first target and 591 will be second target. Another stock is UPL. UPL on buy side you can take an entry at 830. First target will be 834 and second target will be 838. Downside you can take an entry below 816. First target will be 812. And second target will be 808. Another stock is Indus Bank. Indus Bank you can take an entry at buy side 1006. 1010 will be your first target and 1014 will be second target. Downside you can take an entry below 988. First target will be 984 and second target will be 980. Next stock is Hindalco. Hindalco had a good consolidation today after a huge gap up opening. So buy side we can take an entry above 395. First target 398 and second target 400. Downside if you see you can take an entry at 390 and below, 390 and below. First target 387 and second target 385. Next stock is Tata Consumer Products. Tata Consumer Products you can take a buy side entry at 766. First target at 769 and second target at 772. Downside if you see you can take an entry at 755. 752 your first target and 750 your second target. HCL Tech is another stock. HCL Tech has been in good consolidation from 2 days now. So we can look for a bull run on HCL Tech as the fundamentals are good. So entry level will be 982. 986 will be your first target and 990 will be your second target. Another stock is HDFC Life. HDFC Life you can take upside entry at 670. First target 673 and second target 676. Downside, I favor downside tomorrow for HDFC Life. Downside, it is 661. 658 will be a first target and 655 will be a second target. Next stock is Cipla. Cipla, buy side, you can take an entry at 954. First target will be 957 and second target will be 960. Downside, you can take an entry at 947. First target will be 944 and second target will be 941. The last stock for tomorrow is India Bull Housing Finance. You can take an entry at buy side 277. First target 279 and second target 281. Downside, you can take an entry at 272 or below. 270 will be your first target and 268 will be your second target. So that's all for Friday. Please use this video for only education purpose and make your calls, do your analysis, be confident before taking any entry. Keep stop loss for all the entries you take. Have a good trading day on Friday. Bye-bye.